Hello there, I have a server here and I need to transfer this server. I made this using autoMCS, but now I need to run this in my device, but it does not run because I made it in another device. So what can you do? You can go to GitHub right here. You can go to GitHub to this page and then go to releases and then download the first release exe like this. Just save it here. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to go here and then I'm going to extract this zip, and then here is the app. I'm going to run this. Your device might flag it as a virus, but it is not a virus. I guarantee you, this is absolutely not a virus. Trust me, bro, please. And then this, you go to transfer servers and then this will open this window, and then you can add a server folder and then then select your folder of the server and then select it here and then run transfer, and then this also error, but this error is not going to do anything. So you gotta close this and then go to pictures, my pictures, and then go to start, and then the server will start. Look just like that. Thank you for watching the video, and then I really hope this will help you. Let's see this. I'm going to show you if this server works or not. It's loaded yet. Yep, this is loaded now. And then now I go to Minecraft and then multiplayer and then direct connection, and then I go to localhost and then join the server. Yay, the server is working now. See, I can go to sword FFA/leave, and I can go to maze, I can queue maze, I can undo queue maze, /leave queue. Everything works. It's the same server. Thank you for watching. Bye.